Hello everyone, this is the technical demo of my game IGNIS FELES. So you can just see this is the main game scene. I'll just give you a quick overview of what all things are here, what all I did. I can't go into detail because this video has to be short. So this is the main game scene. You can see this full map here. You'll not be able to see anytime you play the game. So this is a small cheat code that you got. You can see that the player is here, there's the spawners for the enemies. There are multiple game scenes. For example, there's a separate scene for the main menu, there's a separate scene for the game over menu also. And there are assets here. For example, I've added the animations for when the player shoots a bullet, when the enemy's hit, then what to do when the enemy dies, what to do, what party effects to use. Other than that, this is the art folder that I made all the artworks for the enemies and the aims and the aim indicator and everything. Like, I can just show you this ranged enemy, this is the sprite that I made. Uh, Other than that, there are all the prefabs. Prefabs are basically things that I can just directly put into the project without having to duplicate them here. Um, so these are the prefabs and all these are the scripts. I'll just go through one example script. For example, the enemy AI. Uh, Here you can see these are all the public variables that we set for high customizability. These are some standard Unity functions, start, update, and date update, which run regularly in frequent intervals to change the state of the enemy and make it move and everything like that. So there are multiple states that we're handling here, like idle, alert, and chasing. We're handling the animation logic to flip the sprite where it's seeing for when it's an idle state, then it has to roam. So when it's not chasing an enemy, it just looks at a random direction, goes to that random direction, looks another point. So basically roams around randomly. Then if it is in the enemy, then it does a routine. Uh, it shocks for a while, and then it starts chasing the enemy, and then it collides with the enemy or the bullet. That this is the uh, behavior that it has to follow. For example, this is the take hit routine. When it gets hit by a bullet, it performs the score routine, and once it dies, then it also drops the coin, either drops a health or drops an upgrade, depending on the probabilities that I've assigned to them. For the blockchain integration, we can actually look at the leaderboard manager. This is called when the game is actually over. It checks if the account has already been connected. Then it finds the score accounts PDA and it uses this program to actually send the score to the score account. It's already deployed on the DevNet. That's what we're using here. Actually, I can show you this is the smart contract that I've written. It's pretty simple, just to create a score account, and it's already deployed on the DevNet, which you can see here. There are multiple transactions, as you can see. This is me playing the game or somebody else playing the game. Yeah, and other than that, this is my repository for the game. You'll find everything here. This is open source, so anybody can contribute if they want to or take reference. So that's about it. Thank you so much.